Here are some electrical tools used in electrical installation. Electrical cable clips. Cable clips comes in different size because they are used to hold cable of different size. As you can see on the image, you see the size. The big one holds a big wire and the small holds a small wire. And these electrical cable clips comes in a boxes. Here you see the boxes where they come in. The sizes are different. The big one uses to hold. Here is electrical wire tapes. Electrical wire tapes is used. Electrical wire tapes are used to isolate the wires after the connection. Electrical wire tapes also comes in different colors. As you see, there are many different colors: blue, green, yellow, black. So you may choose your desired color to use. To use it during isolation in your installation. We have also expanded the nails with their screws, which are used to fix different apparatus into the wall. Those nails and the screws come with a box, and they come with desired size. So according to the apparatus you are going to fix, you may choose your desired nails and screws. Now let's talk about lamp holders or sockets that are used to hold the lamps like bulbs in your house. Lamp holders also comes with different design and size according to your building or according to what your client will love. So here are some examples of lamp holders. We have seen screws, wire tapes, lamp holders. During your installation, you will also need a wires, and the wire also depends on the size of and what will be the tools used in the installation. Here are some examples of other tools which will be needed in installation. Socket outlet. Here now is a switch used to switch on and off the lamps. That will also be used in electrical installation. You will use the switch according to how you want to control your lamps. Here is another example of wire 2.5 millimeter square wires that also used in installation, mainly used on socket outlet. Another example of cable are 2-core cable wires. They also can be used because of their cover. They can be also they have size. There are one of 1.5 and other of 2.5 millimeter squares. The advantages is their cover, and they can also use it outdoors. Now we have seen screws, we have seen wires, lamp holder, wire tapes, socket outlet, switches, This is also another wire of 1.5 size, but it is black. The first one was red, that one is black. This box was the nail and screw boxes. This was wire tapes with different colors. Socket outlet, switches, screws. Boxes with nails. Switches. Socket outlet. Lamp holders were used to hold your lamps. A yellow wires the size of 2.5 used on socket outlet. 2 core cables, wires. So all are some tools that you can use for doing a simple installation in your house. Here are electrical support light and electrical circuit breakers. Here is an electrical multimeter used to measure voltage, current. Electrical pliers. Here are different electrical lamps that you can use into your house. Here in dining room or sitting room or on the balcony. Electrical water heater. Thank you for your time you're taking to watch this video.